we are going to start a series of posts to fix emergencies that can happen to you when using WordPress. Problems or design changes that you want to fix and you don't know how to do it. That's what we are here for, to help you. But first, I remind you that you can subscribe to learn more about WordPress, SEO, and online marketing. And today, I want to start with this problem that I have found in one of my websites, an error with the ionCUBE PHP. This is my website, and you can find yourself with a blank screen and a message like this: set error, this ioncube PHP loader needs to be styled, blah blah blah. You can find this error at any time, and we don't know what has happened. The test tells us that we have to install ioncube to be able to see the web. It doesn't even let us enter as administration the WordPress. As you can see, it's the same error. So what we have to do is go to our cpanel of our hosting. We're inside in the cpanel in my hosting, and then we can go to the PHP select version here, software, select PHP version. Even if you don't know where is it, you can find it with Ctrl+F, and you can type PHP. Well, it's here. Click on it. We select extensions, and we have to select ioncube loader. Click here. And we will have it solved. We are going to refresh. Now, well, we update the web again, and we have solved it. We're going to type my website, and okay, as you can see, it's correct. Now, why does this error happen? Well, honestly, I suspect it's because of the theme I use. It has only happened to me on this website because I use a special theme, and I have to do it this action. So if you have the same problem, I think you must select the ioncube loader in the PHP selector, and I think is the error. The problem is resolved. I hope this little tip has helped you. Subscribe, and see you in more videos.